Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your internet speed. If your internet is working slow on your Windows 10 and 11 version, I will show you step by step how you can boost it. After applying these methods, your internet speed will definitely boost. So watch this video till end. Okay. In the first step, we will make the changes in the internet consumptions. By default, Windows reserve 20% bandwidth on your Windows 10, 11 and version. It means that you can only use the 80% internet on your Windows 10, 11 and other version. Okay, so how we can make it to 100%? For that, you should have the Pro version. For applying the methods, you need to go to search bar here and type a run. Okay, or you can press Windows plus R button together to open the run. Now you need to type gpedit.msc here. Also, you should have the admin rights to modify the group policy. So no harm after applying these methods on your Windows. On the local group policy, double click on the computer configuration. Okay, like this. You will see the administrative templates here. Double click on this option. Now you need to double click on this option, network. Okay. Once you double click on this option, you need to choose for this option QoS package scheduler. Double click on this option. Now you can see the limit reservation bandwidth. Okay, not configure. Right click on it or you can double click on it. Then click on edit option here. Once you click on the edit option, you need to enable this option. Now you can see by default you can use only the 80% internet. In my case it is 80% now. You need to make it to 0. Okay, like this. You can read it more, determine the percentage. After that, system can reserve the value limits combined bandwidth reservation of all the program running on the Windows. By default, the package scheduler limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of the connection, but you can use the setting to override the defaults. Okay, so I don't want to reserve my bandwidth here. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Once you click on apply on OK, you can choose the state here. It is enabled now. Then applying. In order to apply the changes, go to CMD, right click on it, run as administrator. Click on yes button when the prompt opens. Now type a gpupdate/force gpupdate space this slash and force to update the group policy. You can see updating the policies. Computer policy is successfully updated. Okay, now exit out from this. After applying first method, you need to follow the second method to speed up your internet speed completely. Okay, go to search bar again, type a run, open the run again, and then type a services.msc. We are going to disable the Windows update for some time. It is not recommended that you always keep it the disabled. You need to make it re-enable the option. Click on anywhere on the services tab, then look for Windows update. Okay, this is the Windows update. Double click on it or you can right click on it and go to its properties and make sure the startup type you should choose the disable it for some time. I have already selected this option, and if the service status is running you need to stop it. Okay, like in my case it is stopped already. Then click on apply, then click on OK and check. You can see status is disabled now. So it is not recommended that you should keep it always disabled. Once in a month you can enable this option again, okay, and set it automatic to get the latest Windows update from Microsoft. So this is the second step you can try. And in the third method, we are going to disable the background apps. Background apps can consume more data from your Windows, which we don't need that. For that, first you need to go to here, taskbar setting, then click on task manager option. Okay, go to startup tab and disable all the programs which you don't need. Like in my case, you can see I have disabled all the programs, okay, except the Windows. You can see here the Windows security. This is not recommended, that you should enable this option, okay. Other tasks you can disable that. And we are going to disable the background apps as well. For that, go to start menu here, okay, then click on setting option. Then click on this option, privacy. Once you are click on the privacy, scroll it down and look for apps. These are the background apps, okay. Click on this option. Now you can see I have already disabled all the apps. You can choose one by one and disable all the apps, okay. You can see here Skype, I don't need it in the running in the background, so I'm making it off, okay. Voice recorder, I also don't need it to run in the background, so disable this option as well, okay. Windows security, keep it enabled for security reason, okay. And I recommend you to only leave this option enabled, which is the Windows security option, for security reason. Other tasks you can off that, okay. After applying these three methods, your internet should be working fast and should be working fine. One thing you can also try, we can make the changes in the DNS setting, okay. For that, click on the connected Wi-Fi or go to or press Window plus R button together, ncpa.cpl, ncpa.cpl to open the adapters. You will directly open the connected networks here. I have connected with Wi-Fi here, you can see, okay. I have connected with Wi-Fi, name is this one. So I need to right click on the network and go to its properties. After that, choose here the Internet Protocol version 4, then go to properties, and on the second option which says use the following DNS server addresses, click on this option and type 8.8.8.8.8, okay. This is the DNS of Google, 8.8.4.4, okay. This is the address of Google, so it is the fastest, so you can try this option. Click on apply, okay. Close this option and check if your issue is solved or not, okay. So after applying these methods, 4 methods, your internet will be boosted. And comment me if your internet is boosted, and if not, then also comment me. If your issue is solved, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.